Hola clase, it is Senora Group. Hoy es lunes el 24 de enero 2022, and we have an e-learning day today. So since we have an e-learning day, here is what you are going to do. First of all, make sure that you have done your attendance check-in through the guidance page in your Canvas. And remember, that won't be available until around 10 o'clock this morning, but make sure that you do that because that's how you are counted present for today. All right, so what you are going to do is you are going to do the activity we were actually going to do the other day in class. You are going to escribir y responder usando el árbol de la familia Castillo. So you are going to write about the Castillo family, Don Fernando's family, using the family tree. I have put a link to that family tree right here in case you did not get your notebook home with you. You would put that in your notebook on Friday, but just in case you didn't, there is a link to that here. And so, if necessary, you can always use this instead. And just remember, it's going to go through and show you like the relationships between all of the different people in the Castillo family. So when you are ready to start working on that, you're going to scroll down. You won't be able to see it right now in my view because I can't log in to Google as a student. So we'll leave the student view. So now you can see it. It is just, you're going to start out, you will write, let me get in there. You'll start out by writing 5 sentences about the Castillo family on your own in Spanish using the family tree. So, any 5 sentences that you would like to write in relation to the information that you can get from that family tree. Then, the next 5 questions, you are going to answer these questions in Spanish. The questions are being asked of you in Spanish, but they're questions you should be able to figure out. And then just write your answer in a complete sentence in Spanish. Once you finish, remember you will close that out, go back, you'll have a submit button over here on your copy, submit that, and then that is all you need to do as far as a direct assignment for class today. The other thing I would suggest doing is preparing for your test on Friday. That is still going to be on Friday over AR, ER, and IR verbs. You will need to know the meanings of all of the infinitives as well as being able to conjugate in the present tense for AR, ER, and IR verbs. So I've given you some practice. This first set will take you to a set and Quizlet where you're just practicing the meanings of the infinitives, then conjugating AR, ER, and IR. And then also remember that test will have Vocabulario de la Familia. It's a pretty lengthy test, but I'm sure with preparing, you will do great. And like I said, that test is still scheduled to take place on Friday of this week. Once you finish those things, then you can work on this week's Para Empezar. After that, you are good to go for this class. Make sure you are checking in with all of your classes and staying on top of that work. Also, it's Monday, so it's a good idea to check into Power School. If you have any questions about my class with your grade, make sure you send me a message. Otherwise, just have a great day. Tenga un buen día, and I will see you in martes. Adios, mis estudiantes.